Hey, what's going on, compadre? Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. All right, as you start making money online, as you start to figure out how you want to make money online, you're going to have to make a decision. You're going to have to make a decision on what you want to put out there, what you want to throw out there into the world. Do you want to actually help your subscribers? Do you care about your subscribers? Do you want the best for your subscribers? Are you recommending things to your subscribers that are going to help them in the long run? Or are you just recommending things that is going to make you a quick buck? And are you just focusing on your pocketbook? Are you realizing that there is a real person on the other side of the emails you send, social media posts that you post, and they're all in different circumstances, and they're real people, real families, real feelings. Are you going to try and manipulate those people? Are you going to try to trick those people into giving you money when you know it's not in their best interest? And if that is you, if that is what you want to do, unsubscribe from my list right now. That's not cool. That's not a good way to do it. Although I am seeing, which I'm about to show you, I'm seeing more and more some big name marketers doing this. We're talking about marketers making millions of dollars. It's almost like they're selling their soul. And a lot of times it doesn't even make sense because they're, for example, this one particular marketer, I'm going to go over an email that he sent. I'm never going to buy anything from this marketer again, ever. It's somebody that I've followed in the past. All right. A lot of times these types of tactics, um, they uh, ostracize your subscriber list, ostracize people like me who can't stand stuff like this, and they do it for short term gains. They do it to try to get all the commissions they can out of people who don't know any better. They're brand spanking new. They have no idea. They're ignorant to anything online, and they're just trying to make that commission. And then many times they're trying to do it because they've set themselves up where they have to reciprocate. And if none of this makes sense, it'll make sense now. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to go ahead and go break down an email, break down why some of these big name marketers are going to these types of tactics. And then I'm going to give you a business model, a business strategy that I like to follow, I like to employ, that is simple, that helps people, and that is going to make you feel good about what you do working from home, make you feel good about waking up every single morning and making money online. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right. If you want to make money online, do not do this. All right. Absolutely do not do this. Hell, if you just don't want to be an ass, if you don't want to be a dick, excuse my language, then don't do this. All right. So I used to actually follow this marketer. I'm going to give you a scenario which I think is happening on why he's doing it. But it's tricking people of the lowest common denominator on his list. And by lowest common denominator, I mean maybe a brand spanking newbie who still thinks, or for some reason thinks that the internet is a lottery ticket and that people who fall for stuff like this. All right. Let's go ahead and go through this email. All right. So it says pending. We're closing your account number. All right. So straight up subject line is crap. There's no account number. This subscriber doesn't have an account number 215. So this is all made up. It says, I'm really, really sorry. I can't keep this open any longer. This is the last chance to claim account number 2153611. It's kind of like it's a last, like you get those spam emails and it's like, you won the lottery, last chance to win lottery ticket 21 whatever. Or like the Nigerian emails where it claimed you just won the Nigerian lottery or whatever the hell it is. I mean, this is straight spam. This is appealing to people who are looking for a lottery ticket and who think, well, let's get into it. All right, you will not start generating your commissions until you activate this, but it is closing today. All right, so this person, and guys, the reason why, I mean, you see spam emails, you see all that kind of stuff. The reason why I'm making a big deal about this is because this is actually a big marketer. This guy is a well-known name, and he's resorting to stuff like this. It's just It's disheartening. It gives this industry a bad name for all those people that actually give a shit and who care and who help people. But all right, anyway, you will not start generating your commissions until you activate this. So it's insinuating that if you activate this, which it costs money to activate, obviously you got to buy the product. It's insinuating that if you buy it, you will start earning commissions. And people actually do believe this. He wouldn't be sending this if he wasn't going to get sales from this. All right. Because I know for a fact, because I build my list. All right. And so I get a lot of emails from people literally sending me their bank account number and telling me to send them money. They literally like, here's my bank account number. This is where you transfer the money. Or they'll say, when can I start expecting to receive payments once I buy? And I was like, when did I ever tell you, or when did in my sales letter, did I ever tell you that you would start receiving payments just for buying? You've got to learn this. You've got to implement this. Building a business online means that you got to provide value to people and people give you value back. You're not going to just come online, click a button and start making money. But a lot of people believe that. All right. And so this is who he's trying to appeal to. But it is closing today. This email, friendedexample.com, that's actually a placeholder in his autoresponder that's supposed to show the subscriber's email. My email should have been there, but it just comes up as a placeholder now. Is on our list, which is a mess up. Is on our list to receive an extension on this. Please do not miss it. You will regret it if you do. All right. So, guys, don't build an audience. Don't build an email list and then try to trick them. Try to insinuate that they'll get commissions just by activating an account. That's just not cool. All right. That is not cool. If you want to make money online long term, well, first of all, let's get into what it takes to make money online. All right. You need to have something valuable to offer people. The only time money is made is when you exchange value. You go to the store makes money because they're providing you value. You go get that milk, you pay for it, you get the value. All right. So it's the same thing in any sort of business. Online, you provide somebody value, they give you money for it. In this case, this guy's not providing any value at all. He's tricking people. You don't want to do that. All right. And I have an idea. I have a theory of why he is doing this. And this is actually a big marketer that I have followed in the past. And he didn't really start doing this until lately. And he follows a business model. It's called the launch model. All right. This is my theory on why he's doing this. And this is the type of business that you could get into. Now, not everybody that launches products very regularly is bad. Don't get me wrong. But he's getting roped. This is the way I feel about this. This is what I think is happening. When you're in a launch model, you launch a new product every couple of months, and you have affiliates. If those affiliates perform for you during that product launch, they're going to expect reciprocation on their next product launch. So you have all these guys that are launching products every single month, and they are reciprocating for other product owners. So let's say I'm a product owner. This affiliate brings me 100 sales on a launch. Well, he's going to expect me to return the favor if I want him to promote for me on my next product launch. So we get all these product owners just launching products and reciprocating and bringing sales in for a lot of times shit products. All right. And so this email came at the end of one of these promotions that I see him doing. One of his big affiliates just launched a product, and he is trying to get as many sales for that affiliate as he can. So the next time he launches a product, he can get the same back. And so right now it's coming to the end of the launch. He's probably running low. He probably hadn't met his requirements. He probably hadn't reciprocated. And so he's just putting emails out there to try to get anybody and everybody to buy. All right. And that includes people that really literally think that they are going to be able to activate this and start earning commissions automatically. That's the launch model of business. It seems like a highly stressful way to do things, launching a new product every single month or two, and also being indebted to affiliates. I don't want to be indebted to anybody. I don't want to have to promote something for somebody that I don't believe in. And, it's just not the way I prefer to do business. What I'm going to show you right now is the way I prefer to do business. And if that sounds good to you, feel free to join our team. All right. What I like to do is I like to find something of value that people need and that people are going to want and need to use long term. All right. It's usually based around a tool, something that can create predictable passive income. And I make sure that it has immense value. And then I focus on that one thing. All right. I focus on that and I build a business around that offer, provide value to people. So how do you actually get sales? Making money online is the same as anything else. You have something to offer people and you get in front of that audience. All right. You put that offer in front of people who are already looking for that offer. All right. And I'm going to show you how to do that on our team training page. All right. Now, what is cool about the business that I'm promoting is it's called Rapid Profit Machine, and it's wrapped around a tool that everybody needs and needs to have a presence online, to have a business online. It's called Builderall. And Builderall has been around for 10 years. It's a complete suite of tools: page builder, autoresponder, webinar software, SMS messaging software. I mean, it just goes on and on. And if you want to learn more about that, click the link under this video or in the description. But my business model is simple: build an audience, put an offer of high value in front of that audience, and an offer that creates predictable passive income, a recurring offer. All right, that's important. You want that money to be coming in every single month. You're going to be getting value from the product every single month. The product continues to get updated and gets better. So there is going to be that recurring fee. It's just like with anything, you're not going to pay your electricity bill once and not ever have to pay it again. It's going to be a monthly fee. And so I enjoy promoting products like that have a monthly fee. That way you can build recurring income. And you focus your energy on that. You focus all your energy on that, and you start seeing momentum. And then once you have that momentum, you can invest more into that business, and you just focus on that one thing. It's so much less stressful than having to launch a brand new product every couple of months, and then have to be indebted to affiliates and have to get product developers, all that kind of stuff. It's much more easy just to plug into a system that's already done for you, already proven, and focus on one thing. And that, or two things actually, focus on two things, two important things. And that is driving new leads into your audience, building your audience first. All right. First and foremost, every single day you should be building your audience. Why do you think Progressive car insurance or Geico car insurance, they advertise nonstop? You can't put it on TV and not see at least one damn Geico commercial within 30 minutes. I mean, they advertise like crazy. That's because they're continuing to build their brand and build their audience. All right. So once you have that momentum going with a business where you create that predictable passive income, well, then you get that momentum going and you can continue to invest into new advertising and into building your business. You can continue to get your offer in front of people that are looking for that offer, and you're going to be able to continue to build your income. All right. One of the best systems, or the best system that I've come across to do that, to be able to build your audience and do it fast and earn that awesome type of income, is the Rapid Profit Machine. Now, click the link in the description underneath this video, wherever it is. You can eventually get to a page like this. I'm going to give you an overview of the Rapid Profit Machine and show you the bonuses I have. I'm giving away lifetime traffic and leads to my team. You're also going to get access to my team training page that is going to show you all my traffic resources, where I can put this offer in front of these resources, in front of these audiences, build my audience, and get in front of people who are looking exactly for what I have to offer. All right. If you can do that, if you can have a high quality, high converting offer that provides value, and you can get in front of the right audience, you can make money online. It's as simple as that. All right. Now, in addition, on the team training page, let me just go to that real quick. You're going to come down here and you're going to be able to actually get my Profit Fundamentals course for free. Now, in Profit Fundamentals, I'm going to show you exactly how to follow up with your audience that you're creating. All right. So I'm not going to show you how to follow up like this asshole. All right. I'm going to show you how to follow up the correct way. I'm going to show you how to build an audience that trusts you, that likes you. I have people that that first joined my newsletter years ago, 2-3 years ago, and they are still partners with me today. We still work together to this day, and it's because they trust me. It's because they know that I have their best interest in mind. And I'm going to teach you how to do that with Profit Fundamentals. Rapid Profit Machine is going to help you build that audience. And then with Profit Fundamentals and everything on this team training page, I'm going to show you how to turn this into a long-term deal. I'm going to show you how to make money online long-term. And what's really cool about this team training page is you're going to get all of my secret traffic methods right here, guys. All right. You're going to get it all. And this is how you're going to get in front of the correct audience. This is how you're going to make those sales. So you're also going to get access to the Rapid Profit Machine Facebook group. Let me just take you there real quick. All right, here we go. Look, 5.7 thousand members. That is huge, guys. That is a lot of people in this group, and a lot of people are making money. You're going to come in here. If you have any questions whatsoever, you're going to get your answers, or you're going to get your questions answered. You're always going to have access to me. I answer all my emails, and the help you have is here. The system you need in order to build your audience and earn commissions along the way and build that recurring income is right here. Everything you need is right here with the Rapid Profit Machine community. I would invite you to come join us. And that's all I got, guys. That is all I got. If you want to make long-term money online, don't be like this guy, all right? Don't scam people out of their money. It's not cool. Instead, offer a ton of value, help people, and I believe in karma, all right? You put good stuff out there, good stuff's going to come back. And that's all I got, guys. Have a good one. Peace.